Hey guys, it's Miss Potts, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Waldorf star. It's an origami star made up of 8 diamonds and then glued together. Origami is the traditional Japanese art of folding paper into decorative shapes and figures. Another word you should know is symmetrical. We're going to make a symmetrical star, and symmetrical means that something looks the exact same on both sides if you draw a line down the middle. While we are folding our paper today, please look out for these angles. First, we have a right angle. These are the corners of a square or like a book. They look like the letter L and they're exactly 90 degrees. We also have acute angles. They're so cute and tiny. The angles are sharp and pointy and they're smaller than our 90-degree angles, kind of like the tip of a slice of pizza. Then we have obtuse angles. These angles are wide and spread out, and they're larger than 90 degrees, but less than 180, kind of like an open door. And now let's talk about triangles. So we have an equilateral triangle, which has all 3 sides the same length and all 3 angles equal. So it looks balanced and perfect. And then we have an acute triangle. It's very cute, and it has 3 angles that are less than 90 degrees, making it look sharp and pointy. And then we have the obtuse triangle, and this triangle has 1 angle that is greater than 90 degrees, an obtuse angle, and it makes it look really wide and open. So when we're creating our Waldorf stars, we actually need 8 of that diamond shape that I just held up in green. So let's make one. Take your origami paper and fold it perfectly in half. Open it up and fold it in half the other way. Open it up again and then take each corner and have it fold straight to the center. Try to match it up perfectly and then fold that outside. So take the corner, fold it to the middle. Take the corner, the last one, and fold it to the middle. Now take one corner, just like you're going to see me do, and I want you to fold it so that its edge is parallel to the middle line. And I just turn that side into an obtuse triangle. So again, I'm going to take the opposite corner, fold it in, crease it down. I'm making an obtuse triangle. So now it looks like a kite with 2 obtuse triangles and 2 acute triangles. And I want to do that at least 2 more times because you're going to make 4 diamond shapes and a partner's going to make 4 diamond shapes. And when you put all of your shapes together, you will have a wonderful Waldorf star. All right, once you have your 4 diamond shapes, flip them over so they're facing the same direction as mine. And then get your glue stick, and I want you to glue in that bottom triangle on the right side. And then I'm going to take my next color, and I'm going to line up the bottom points, and I'm going to line up the left edge of that bottom triangle with the center of my green. And then turn. And notice how I have a piece of blank paper down under where I'm gluing so I don't get glue all over the table, please. Take your next piece, glue the bottom right triangle, and then line up your lines. You want the points to match. And do it one more time. And you have half of a Waldorf star. And while you are making your half, your partner will be creating their half, something like this. They're probably not going so fast though, but it's okay. And you'll take your 2 halves and put them together to make a whole. All you got to do now is just glue it together. So take your glue stick. Again, you're gluing that bottom right triangle each time. And then overlap, line up your points at the bottom. And then when you flip it over, there's one thing that you need to do differently on this very last gluing. We don't want that whole entire yellow one sticking out like that. So you want to tuck it under. And now you have your perfect Waldorf star. Don't forget to glue that last one though. And when it comes to glue, just a dabble do. You don't need that much. Just dabble do, push it down. Waldorf star, perfectly symmetrical. If we drew a line down the middle, be the same on both sides. If we have time, we will put a black background behind our Waldorf star. So we will flip our star over to the back, add some glue. Again, when it comes to glue, a dab will do. You really don't need that much. Glue it down to a black piece of paper. And then we're going to take a compass. And I want you to put the pointy side right in the middle of your star. And then pull that pencil out to create an obtuse angle. And very carefully drag it around to draw a perfect circle around your Waldorf star. Don't hold it all limp like my hand right here. To use a compass, hold it at the point or the apex. And yes, you'll see I'm holding it right on that obtuse angle. Once you draw your perfect circle, the only thing left to do is just to cut it out. And I love how the Waldorf star just pops on that black background. Now, remember, you are not a machine, you are not a computer, you are not perfect. It's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. I can't wait to see what you create today.